Get ready for a fantastic and tremendous Lesson 3 about conditional statements, including if-else, nested if-else, comparison operators, and logical operators. We're using Python again, the best language, folks. First, we set my approval rating to 99.9 because, let's face it, I'm the most loved president ever. Now we check if my approval rating is above 50. If it is, that means the people absolutely adore me. But if it's not, we know that the polls must be rigged, just like the fake news always is. Next, we talk about my golf score. I'm a tremendous golfer, everybody agrees. In this code, my golf score is 65, which is fantastic. If my golf score is below 70, it proves I'm the best golfer. If it's below 80, I'm still great, no doubt about it. But if it's neither of those, it's just an off day. Everybody has them, even me. We also have some comparison and logical operators in this code, which are great for making decisions and comparing things like my approval ratings and golf scores. Finally, we've got the vote counts for me and the other guy. In this case, I got 63 million votes and the other guy got 62 million votes. We check if I have more votes and if it's not the opposite. If that's true, I won the popular vote and it's a fact. But if it's not true, then the election must have been rigged. Just like the fake news, always trying to bring me down. And there you have it, the code explained by me, the one and only Donald Trump. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more. And check out the next lesson in this Python tutorial series. It really helps.